What is socket welding? Push the fitting into pipe, melt pipes and fittings by heating. Cool and solidify to achieve tight connection. Socket welding have many advantages. The connection between pipes fitting is tighter, reduce the leakage possibility. The connection has higher strength, can withstand greater pressure and tension. The connection is smoother. The water flow is smoother. There is no hanging dirt inside the pipe and improving the drainage capacity. Reduce the impact between pipes and water flow, reducing drainage noise effectively. What is spot welding? Align pipe and fitting. Melt pipes and fittings by heating. Cool and solidify. Spot welding disadvantages. Uneven melting causes connection weak. Due to the shrinkage of the plastic material cause connection stress and leakage. Due to factors such as temperature changes and pressure fluctuations, the connection easily become loose or crack. Curved edges are easy to get dirty, causing blockage in the pipe and reducing water flow rate. Hongshan specializes in producing socket welding silent drainage pipes, providing you with a safe and reliable drainage system.